What is the future of AI in 2050? 1. Half human and robot. Half human and robot in the sense of having physical bodies that are part human and part machine, as this idea is more commonly found in science fiction than in realistic projections of the future of AI. 2. Growth of smart cities. Cities are likely to become more connected and intelligent, with the widespread adoption of technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, and autonomous vehicles, leading to improved efficiency and sustainability. 3. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality VR technologies are likely to become even more advanced and widespread, leading to new forms of entertainment, education, and communication. 4. Increased use of renewable energy. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, are likely to become even more affordable and accessible, leading to a greater shift away from fossil fuels and a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. 5. iMobile. By 2050, mobile devices could become even more intelligent and capable of personalized interactions and suggestions based on our behavior, preferences, and needs. Auto charging and connect with your brain can be part of body. 6. Urban air mobility. With advancements in drone technology, we could see the development of urban air mobility systems, allowing for efficient and eco-friendly transportation within cities. 7. Hyperloop and other high-speed trains. Hyperloop technology could revolutionize long-distance transportation by allowing passengers to travel at extremely high speeds in low-pressure tubes. High-speed trains could also become more common, reducing travel times between cities.